Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial Tips, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to delete highlights from your Instagram profile and how to do this up. So let's get started. First you just have to tap over here at the bottom, and this is at our way where you can see the highlights. So I have done a highlight, as you can see that. Let me tap on it. This is the highlight which I have done for the video purpose. This is some random highlights. So now I'm going to show you how to delete a particular photo or video from your highlight. To do this you just have to tap here at the bottom. Now from here there is an option called remove highlights. By doing this, the particular will be completely removed. Photo or video will be completely removed. As you can see that now we have two highlights. Now I'm going to talk about how to delete this one from the profile. So you just have to press and hold. Then there is an option called delete highlights, right? So you just have to tap on it. Now you just have to go for delete, so that as you can see that it is deleted, and I'm having these are the variables right now. So I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.